But this song it is just that you brought me from very high up. I just want to see you go.
Okay, I haven't vlogged in a long time. Before we start off this vlog, let's just make breakfast first. Let's go. Wow, it's been a while. We have a lot to talk about. I know I haven't been posting in a long time. Believe it or not, I'm working on so many videos at the moment. And I have new sponsors for different projects and new videos coming up. At the moment, there's so many things I'm still filming. My music career is like... I don't even know where I'm going with that one. And I have an insane idea. Yesterday, I got this old broken bike. It's a Pusimatics 125. I decided I'm gonna restore it. Yeah, I'm just gonna finish this thing and then I'm gonna take you guys to the garage to show you guys the bike. Our neighbors on the other side of the street are watching me like I'm some sort of head. Yeah, that's the bike.
Say you loved me, now you're not with a fight.
This thing has a lot of work to do. That's the worst feeling ever. It's missing the heart of the bike, the carburetor. I was able to recover a few parts like the sprocket, a few body panels and the petrol tank. You know, like the biggest problem is the carburetor probably. Like I need a new chain as well. Like almost the entire bike is missing its screws, but that's not a big problem. This is gonna be a challenge. I also got a new seat for the bike. I feel like this thing is, hopefully this thing fits. I'm gonna test it out now. So the good news is the seat actually fits perfectly. But for now I'm just gonna get the sprocket on the bike and see if it works like it fits there. Yeah, so we just got home from a meeting, and then we went partying. Came back to Clarksville, we partied a bit, and now we are at the garage getting food, I guess, yeah. Brother's over there. So my brother just told me I should stop being a douche. I wanted to see like what's underneath the cone, like, but I felt peer pressure. So he's a let's dice, motherfucker. Yes!
That was a 180. Say you loved me, now you're not with a fight.
So, we went to the other garage to get some pies, but the pies wasn't lekker. I didn't like the pies. So we went to another garage. We're gonna find better pies now. Oi, David. Say what's up to the camera.
I'll say Joe.
Yeah, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat my pie. Lamborghini Mercy. See. Alright. I think it's like almost 3 a.m. in the morning. That's a bit better. But dope. See Mike. Jesus, sit up. Sit up. Yeah, that was you. Stupid mother. That was you. We are going to be sitting in jail tonight. Yeah, I'm going to update you guys tomorrow. I have like a lot of things to do tomorrow, so I'll update you guys then. Good night. Yo, so yeah, I'm back home. I've been working on the bike for a while. It's been a tough 2 days. Yeah, don't be disappointed, but it still looks exactly the same. This bike has been a challenge, but I do have good news though. A few days ago, I ordered a few bike parts, and a few of the bike parts arrived today, along with like carburetors and a few things for the bike. The rest is in the garage, but I'm feeling really confident about this bike driving by tomorrow at least. I really think this bike is going to drive by tomorrow. That's how confident I am with this thing. Hi there, stranger. Yeah, I'm back home at the garage. I've been working on the bike for a while. Yeah, I know last night wasn't like such a great idea. After the meeting, I went partying, and just like, I don't think I should ever party again. Ladies and gentlemen, we got it. I'm proud to say this bike works.
I do right to deserve this. I don't deserve this. I just wanna be alive. 18 and we're scared to die. Let's go out and live our lives.
What the f is up, YouTube? Yeah, so we are at the mall now. And we're just gonna like mess around, just like make fun of people. I'm a douchebag. Wat kant is die mic? Die kant?
Ja.
Okay, who am I here with? What's your name? Tapelo. Okay, Tapelo, can I tell you a joke, man? Alright, man. Yeah, right. Why did the elephant cross the road? No, come here, dude. You gotta be fun, man. It'll be quick. Yeah, I promise it's gonna be quick, no? Okay. Why did the elephant cross the road? LeBron James. You get it. Where are you? Who am I here with?
Patrick.
Patrick.
Yeah.
Okay, Patrick, can I tell you a joke, man?
Yeah, you can.
Alright, so why did the elephant cross the road? LeBron James. Do you get it?
I get it. That's a dope one.
Explain it.
Oh. Kijk maar uit. Nee man, cut it.
So, who are we here with?
Tiffel.
Tiffel. Can I tell you a joke?
Alright.
What do you call a toaster inside of a microwave?
What?
A toaster inside of a microwave.
Yo.
The baby. You get it?
No, I don't get it.
Hello. Okay, Sean. Make a scene. What's your name?
Quentin.
Quentin.
Yeah.
Oh wait, Quentin, can I ask you a joke?
Yeah, you can.
What do you call a rhino on a skateboard?
A rhino on a skateboard.
Yeah.
Ah.
Machine Gun Kelly. Do you get it?
Yeah, I do get it.
You get it? Explain it.
Machine Kelly. Bruh.
Away. And with that, vlog 3 has come to an end. Before we end off the video, for celebration of Sath House Off-Road officially launched, I have new Offroad Hoodies merchandise, which you guys can go buy by clicking on the link in the description. Anyways, you guys know the drill. Subscribe, comment, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.